I am now at Santiago de Compostela. This famous pilgrimage site is in northwest of Spain. It became a symbol in the Spanish Christian struggle against Islam. It was destroyed by Muslims in the 19th century and it was completely rebuilt the following century. With Romanistic, Gothic, Baroque buildings, the old town of Santiago is one of the world's most beautiful heritage sites. It is also the pilgrimage journey of the Apostle St. James. In the town of Santiago, one of the most beautiful places under the UNESCO site. Cheers! Such weather. Where to find it? Today Uncle David is going to cook ochazuke. Let's first cook the rice.